Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your broken hot shoe on your Godox V860 Mark III. Now you can do this for the Canon, Nikon, Sony, or any version they have out there. So let's get into the video. This is what we're going to be fixing, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it in two ways. So first you're going to unscrew the 4 screws on the bottom of the flash, and then you're going to open the flash up and you're going to see this little wire right here. All you have to do is just pull it out. It doesn't take that much. Grab your V860 Mark II HotShoe replacement. I got mine from eBay. The main reason why we're doing this option is because you can find them a lot easier than you can find the Mark III. Just make sure you get the one that corresponds with your camera system. In my case, it's Sony. Then take the connector cable and plug it into the flash. I don't think there's any specific way it has to go. Just make sure the wires are not tangled when you close the flash up. And also make sure the hot shoe is facing the right direction before you screw everything back on. Now there are two downsides to doing it this way. For one, there's not gonna be a flush outline because the parts are not made for each other. And two, you're not gonna have the quick release that you would have if it was the Mark III hot shoe. Although we're not using the exact part for the Mark III, we can still put the flash on and use it as it is intended. Everything's gonna work smoothly. Everything's gonna work as if the flash, you didn't break it at all. Okay, for this option, we're gonna be using the Mark III part, which has the quick release, and in my case, it's Sony. So all you have to do again is unscrew whatever broken one or old one you have on there currently, and then switch it out with the new one. Just make sure you're plugging it into this part. So all you have to do is plug it in, close it up, and then screw it back on. But as you can see, before we even screw it on, everything is more flush than it looked using the Mark II part. Now you can go ahead and screw everything back in, make sure everything is fully secured, and that's it. You're done. Everything is done. You have your quick release plate, you have your Sony mount if that's your option of camera, and the flash still works. And there's one thing left for you to do. Put the flash on, and again, you use it like normal. Nothing ever happened. The best thing about these options is it's the cheapest option, I think. One, you don't have to send the camera back to Godox, which is gonna cost you a lot more than what we just did. Or you don't have to buy a whole new flash, which is also gonna cost you a lot more than what we just did. Now that's it for the video. Make sure to like, share, comment, or subscribe. And until next time, stay creative.